See, Faceless YouTube channel is now a big thing. See, if you are still sleeping on this, then you really need to wake up, because Faceless YouTube channel is not getting the hype, it is not getting the rage, and people are making cool cash from this. People are making lots of money from this. Now let me show you. For example, you can see this channel. This channel is making currently this monthly. It can be lesser, but almost to this amount, or it can even be higher, and you are still sleeping and you are still here. Now let me tell you how to go about this. Hi, I'm Chioma. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's the first time of coming across this page, you're welcome. And on this page, I talk a lot about how to grow your YouTube channel, how to make money, even faceless content. So if you enjoy videos like this, do what to like, subscribe to join this wonderful community. And when you subscribe, don't forget to turn on your notification bell on so that you notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. If I'm a returning subscriber, thank you for your love. I really appreciate that. It means a lot to me. And please, after watching my video and you find it helpful, do well to leave a nice and wonderful comment in my videos, because it means a lot to me. Thank you. Now in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys top profitable faceless YouTube channel niches you can dive into and make cool cash from just posting video without showing your face. Like, nobody will know who is behind the camera. So that's one thing I love about faceless YouTube channel. Now, what is faceless YouTube channel? Faceless YouTube channel is just like you creating content at the comfort of your home without showing your face. Nobody knows it's you. Create those content and post on your YouTube channel and make lots and lots of money from it. Now when it comes to this faceless YouTube channel, they have the cartoon one, which anime one, and they have the just normal random videos. And I'm going to be talking about the profitable niches and which one you should go, and you can pick any one of your choice. And also I'll be telling you guys how to go about it. In fact, I'll be giving you details on any one of them later on in my channel. So if you love things like this, do well to subscribe, or else you might not even see the channel again. You know how YouTube is. So now the first niche on my list is the pet and animal niche. Now this niche is almost everybody, almost, I didn't say all, because there are some people that don't like animals, but almost everybody loves animals, and almost everybody loves watching animals video as something that keeps them calm. Now for you to be able to get videos under this niche, you can just go through your TikTok, your Instagram, and get videos of pets. Get videos of them. You don't just post them like that. Calm down. That is why the channel is here for you. Now when you get the videos of pets, you are going to learn how to edit. You are going to learn how to compile it. Get the videos you got from your social media, get it, go to your CapCut or whatever app that you use for editing, go there, place these videos, and then cut it, like edit it. I don't know if you understand. Edit it. See, all your work is just get video, edit, and post. Get video, edit, and post. Now when you edit it, make sure that you leave your trademark on it, or make sure that you leave your page handle on it, so that it will look different. And also make sure that you edit the colors and everything, and like get your music and add to it if you want to add music to it. Remember, I made a video about how to get free copyright music. I'll be leaving the link in the description box. Get your music, add to it, and then you edit it and post. Another way you can make money from this niche is through affiliate marketing. What do I mean by that? Now you can promote a dog food or anything that has to relate with animal, and promote a link that sells it, and when someone buys it, you get a commission from it. And now this pet channel, you can look at this pet channel. This pet channel makes roughly around this amount, and you are still here thinking if you should go into. And if you check this pet channel, you will see that they get videos and compile it together to form it into one. And that is how the channel makes money, and which is a very nice way for you to go. Now the second faceless YouTube channel niche that you should go into is the celebrity niche. Now this niche is very easy, just that you have to be on your toes. You have to always be updated. See, in this case, look at this channel, the Shade Room. Make it your best friend. Like, it should be a channel that you have to go to all the time to get top G's and reigning top G's and what is trending. Now let me tell you how to go about it. Now when you get the top trending news. I don't mean you should just copy exactly what he posted on your channel. No, when you get the video that you want to get, you already have idea, okay, this is what is trending. You go to Twitter. You go to Twitter or you go to S app, go there, get the trending news, get the news you want to get under that topic, then you edit it. See, what about the celebrity niche is that, see, views, they actually get tons and tons of it because people are interested in celebrity. They want to know what is going on in their life. They want to know who's pregnant. They want to know who just got a car. They want to know a whole lot of things about the celebrity. People want to find out what is trending about them every day, every single time. Yeah. So now all you just have to do is that when you get your news, go to your editing app. See, this thing is very easy. Go to your editing app, cut it, edit it, and then you post it on your channel. But once again, about the celebrity niche, that you have to be posting almost every day. In fact, you can even end up posting 2 to 3 times a day, because in the celebrity niche, you always have news to post. You always have something to talk about. That's another thing I love about this niche. So now you can make cool cash from this, and which is a very nice faceless YouTube niche that you can profit from. Now the third niche on my list is the fitness or health niche. Now, as you can see this YouTube channel, you can see how many views it's getting. Now there are a lot of people that just want to lose weight and everything. All you just have to do, you can use the ChatGPT to get a prompt for you, or to get a video or a picture for you. You edit it. When you edit it, you come back here and post it on your YouTube channel. And also another way to make money from this health and fitness niche is that way you can sell an ebook on healthy eating food, sell an ebook on fitness, on fitness journeys, on fitness equipment, and a whole lot of things. See, this fitness one is another profitable faceless YouTube niche because they get tons and tons of views. Now, another faceless YouTube niche that you can actually earn money from is the cooking niche. Now, you don't need to enter your kitchen and do the cooking. See, AI can do the cooking for you. If you go on TikTok, if you go on Instagram, there are a lot of cooking videos. You get videos, compile it, and put, okay, you can say this is how to make pancake. You get 5 different pancake videos. Cut it. Like, okay, let's say for example, I want to post how to make pancake. I will get 10 pancake video. The first video, I'll just cut out I'll just bring out the first video, I'll just bring out the ingredient list. From the second one, I'll bring out when the person was mixing. From the third one, I'll bring out when the person put it inside the frying pan. Like that. Compile it to one video, and you are going to post it on your video. And trust me, you are not going to get any copyright issue. And also, you can add music using the free copyright music. And also, you can make money from this niche by selling an ebook about cooking recipe, which is very nice. See, if you're still at this point of this video, that means you find this video helpful, and I love that you find this video helpful. So please do what to like, and don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. The last niche that you can make money from when doing faceless YouTube channel is the travel niche. Yes, travel niche, and this is quite easy because there's a lot of information about a location. Now, for example, let's say you want to talk about the USA, United States of America. You want to talk about the United Kingdom, the Brazil, the France. Like, it's here on the internet. All you just have to do is you can search for top hotels to sleep in when you travel to the United Kingdom, top hotels to sleep in when you go to Nigeria, top hotels or top restaurants you can check out to have nice and delicious food when you go to the United Kingdom. Or you can go to ChatGPT and ask them to create a prompt for you, or ask them to make a video for you on best hotels you can go to. You can actually go online, get videos of that particular locations, get them, compile it, edit it, and post it on your channel. For example, this channel, you can see how many views they are getting, and you can see that if you check the channel very well, you can see that it's different locations, and you can see that this person is not even showing in the video. The person just did it to get videos and edit it for them to get one video, and they are really making cool cash from it. So these are top profitable faceless YouTube channel that you should go into. And we have come to the end of this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please do what to like, subscribe to join this wonderful community. Thank you, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.